it's Adam Zikri. Today I want to show you how to replace a brake pads on a motorcycle. First, remove the exhaust. Remove the exhaust bolt that connects to the engine blocks and under the exhaust. Then remove the arm and make sure all the bolts are removed. Remove the arm bolt connected to the tire. If you have removed the tire by pulling it, if it still feels hard, loosen the bolt on the side of the tire. And then take the old brake shoe and replace it with another one. And don't forget to transfer the leg spring on the old brake shoe to the new brake shoe. Install the brake shoe and ensure that it is in position. If it's installed correctly, put the arm, tire and exhaust back on.